and all, but I don't think we can stop the dragon with our bare hands.
Yeah, we need some gloves. Perhaps yonder blacksmith could provide some
Sign in matter you see, you should be Andy heavily you. I'm Andy having the blacksmith, and anything you come, anything you soon.
Greetings, Iron Man.
I am SpongeBob, but bottom.
I told you people before.
Delicious Krabby Patties.
Whoa, SpongeBob, you look incredible. And now for the piece de resistance. Your sword, brave knight, hand forged from anodized dragon skin. It is truly a weapon worthy of a knight of your stature.
A little heavy, isn't it?
That's gonna need some stitches. Let me see what.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, all I have in the way of
Oh no,
light
stay
weapons
back.
is this jellyfish net.
That's perfect.
We don't have a long
We
journey
do,
ahead
we
of us.
have a nothing, nothing. You should sing it, there's nothing. Well,
Oh, that being rich. 'Twould almost insult me were it not so funny.
Planktonamore, thou art cocky and overly confident with thyself.
trust me, Karen. Anything else has been the
Free, and I will give to thee.
some cheese.
I ask it once more before I rip the limbs.
Cindy, you have a squirrel.
I am SpongeBob, and this is Patrick. We've been sent to rescue Princess Pearl from Planktonamore.
If thou wishes to get across, thou wilt have to
Get through me!
Meanie Bo Sandy.
I know how to handle this with a little karate.
Hi.
By the hammer of Odin, this be a new fighting style mine.
I cannot, I gotta go.
Dost thou triumph to insult me? Thou wilt drink from the fountain of shame.
Did you hear that, Patrick? I told you she sings like a squirrel.
Bah! Good one, meaningful Sandy.
You handle my feet up, Yuri?
Ah.
You have bested me, Yellow Knight. Strike quick and true.
No more sponge.
I don't understand a word you just...
Said, ay.
Medieval Sandy? You don't look so good. Sandy?
Good night. Nah.
Huh? What? Patrick, it's working! Do it again!
Go. Then oh, I speak kind of no more sponge.
To thee I owe a debt of gratitude, for I will follow you in your quest to defeat Planktonamore and learn a trifle of that
Plankton?
karate.
Yeah, karate. I was.